Greetings from TaiyangNews. I am Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. We are here at SNEC 2024, currently being held at Shanghai, the largest solar show. We are at the booth of Seraphim, one of the leading module maker. We are going to hear more about the top products they are going to promote here at the show.
Hello, welcome to our booth. This is Artun Stepan Shapchian. I am the General Manager of Seraphim Turkey. Today I would like to show two our new innovation products. One is for our new HHD. It goes to the power is 720 watts for 210 millimeter bifacial modules. If it's the requirement is for the high efficiency, for the low degradation, and also higher bifaciality, we definitely recommend this new high heterogeneous junction 720 watts modules. And from now on, we can supply this product based on the requirements. This is our second new product on the production and also availability in the market. The rectangular bifacial top gun modules. The power range is up to 620 watts. Especially for the best LCOE, we definitely recommend this product.